guys, welcome to the TC. My name's David, and today we're going to be doing a short unboxing of this, the 2020 Apple Watch Pride Band. Also, I'm going to be doing a quick comparison to last year's Pride Band, which is Sport Loop. So actually wearing the band, it has a really nice texture. It's very soft. If you've ever tried any of the other silicone bands from Apple, or I should say fluoroelastomer, it's just a fancy term for rubber, it's very soft and yeah, I mean it's very comfortable to wear. Compared to the Sport Loop from last year, I think this is more breathable just because it's the nylon. But one thing I did fear about, it was the fact that these are easy to stain because it is nylon. Whereas these have that rubber material, so it can't really stain as easily. Also, when you take it off, you can see on the back, it does say Pride 2020. And also, I did notice on mine, it's more squiggly around the clasp. So I was actually reading about it, and the bands are made by cutting the fluoroelastomer into strips and then machine pressed together to make each band. That's why there's so many different squiggles in each color. So each one is technically unique, you know, which is pretty cool. Comparing it to last year's, of course, again, you also had Pride 2019 written here, and it's a Velcro clasp, so it's pretty easy to adjust, and you have infinite adjustments. I guess that's one thing about the new silicone one, that you don't have as many adjustments here. But they do provide another smaller option for that as well. Overall, I do like it, and I'm probably going to be using it for exercise because I never really used this one for exercise since it was cloth. So yeah, overall, pretty good impressions. One last thing to keep in mind though, actually, is that these bands are a limited supply for each year. So if you plan on getting one, I would get it as soon as you can because they stop selling them after a certain amount of time. So each year when they release new ones, they stop selling the previous model. So if you do like this style, I would get it as soon as possible. I'll put some links down in the description where you can get it. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the 2020 Pride Band. What did you like? What did you dislike? Also, if you liked the video, please remember to leave a like down below and also subscribe to see more content just like this. Thanks for watching!